Hey y'all, and welcome to the Liberty Loving Kitchen, where the first ingredient is always love. I'm your host, Barrett Patton, and as always, I'm joined by my co-host and dad, Patrick Patton.
Hello.
So if you go back and look at our channel, you'll see that in a recent video, we showed y'all how to make your own homemade hand-tossed pizza dough. Well, today we're going to take you through the process of turning that dough into an actual pizza. So let's get started.
If you recall, we split up our pizza dough into 500 gram portions. That's about 1.1 pound. And this has been in the refrigerator for about a week. I've had it out getting to room temperature. So now we'll roll it out into our pizza crust. I put a little semolina down, and then I'll just kind of hand form it to get it going. And you can roll it or not roll it. I tend to roll it a little bit. It just depends. A little flour here too. Just so it doesn't stick.
And like I said, this is a hand-tossed pizza dough recipe. But we do also have a thin crust pizza dough recipe that we both really enjoy. So be sure to check that out on our channel too.
And this dough, after it's been in the refrigerator for, like I said, I think this has been in here for roughly a week. It actually spreads out pretty well, so I'm not going to even use my my roller today. If I had just done it and left it overnight, it would have been probably a little harder to roll out or push out by hand, but it's not. So I like to take a dough docker and go over it. It keeps it from bubbling up. Some people like the bubbles. I don't, so I do it this way. Next, we'll put a little olive oil on it. And I'll take a brush and just spread it out just to get it spread out evenly. This was the first pizza dough I came up with. I've been making this, we've been here 6 years, so I guess about 7 years or so. About how long I've been making this particular dough. And this dough is really good also for breadsticks and calzone, which we also have a video for. Alright, so I'll take my mozzarella cheese. Yep. Take my sauce first. Almost forgot. I do that sometimes.
Also another video you can watch of how to make this marinara sauce.
That is true. Let me just take that and spread it out with a spoon. Sometimes I use a brush. And I might use a brush here. We don't like a ton of sauce. None of us really do, so I don't put a whole lot on there. Just put whichever you like. I do like to take it all the way up to the edge. Try to. Alright. Set that aside. Now we'll take our mozzarella. And I like to take it all the way to the edge as well. And today we're just doing a pepperoni pizza, so we've got mozzarella. I'll put plenty of that on there.
That's usually our preference in our family, is just plain old pepperoni.
Yeah, Bailey likes a sausage, which we do.
Oh, that's true.
But he's not here, and so we're just doing pepperoni. And I take everything to the edge. I like to have a pizza that's covered in stuff.
And while he's layering on some pepperonis, let me go ahead and remind y'all to smash that like button. That hard too. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and ring that notification bell so you never miss a new video. Leave us a comment down in the comment section and share this video with everybody you know.
Oh, you also might want to let everybody know we now have our
custom URL.
We do have a custom URL, but I was talking about our affiliate links. So like all this stuff that we use to make this, we have affiliate links where most of it, a lot of it's Amazon. The mixers is not, but if you're interested in any of the equipment that we use, check out our affiliate links in the description, and you can find it there, and that helps support the channel, and it doesn't cost you anything. We just get a little commission if you use the link, but doesn't change the price at all. Alright, I put a little extra Parmesan on top of there, and then I also like to add a little
white cheddar, extra sharp.
I apologize. That was actually mozzarella. And I add a little Parmesan, shredded Parmesan that we shred ourselves on cheese day.
Oh, I guessed the wrong kind of cheese. I thought you put your secret ingredient. I was wrong.
I do that sometimes, but not all the time. Alright, we will take our pizza peel, and I like to put a little extra semolina on there. Barrett and I were talking before the video, and we were trying to figure out, is it semolina,
or something
exactly how you say it. And we weren't really sure. It's already starting to stick. You gotta be quick with these. I'm gonna back you out so I can get in there. But let us know in the comments. Back up. Got our oven set at 550.
As hot as our oven goes.
And we use the 3/4 inch, 3/8 inch plate steel to cook it on, which I think is the best way to cook a pizza. So we'll set our timer for 5 minutes, and that's all it takes.
We'll be back when it's time to take it out.
See you soon.
Alright, our pizza has been in a 550-degree oven for 5 minutes, so the time has come to take it out.
And she is bubbling. Look at that.
Bubbly and cheesy, nice and hot. Looks so good.
I'll cut it up here and show you what the bottom looks like. See that? Look at the char on the bottom of that.
So good.
Makes a nice crispy crust, and that's due mostly to the steel we cook it on. But there we have it. We're going to get to eating.
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm excited. I'm hungry. But thanks for joining us again on the Liberty Loving Kitchen. But before you go, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and ring that notification bell, ding,
I was going to do that.
so you never miss a new video. Leave us a comment down in the comment section, and share. We'll see you next time here on the Liberty Loving Kitchen.
Thanks for watching. Bye.